akan membuatkan pembentangan subjek kod KOM 3301.10 kami daripada kumpulan 10 iaitu sama 9 orang pelajar. Nama saya Nur Haliza binti Mazhir, nombor matrik 203864.
Nama saya Muhammad Syarif Izzuddin Samsuri, nombor matrik 201762.
Saya Muhammad Aidin Muhammad Syar, nombor matrik 20027. Nama saya Muhammad Syafiq bin Hassan, nombor matrik 204285.
Nama saya Muhammad Fitri bin Kararifin, nombor matrik saya 203863.
Nama saya Honim Maxbel, nombor matrik saya bernombor 204303.
Nama saya Muhammad Syafiq Adha bin Abdul Rashid, nombor matrik 203264.
Nama saya Muhammad Syah Azri bin Azmi, nombor matrik saya 204291.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shahirul Rushaidi bin Abdullah and my matric number is 202850. First of all, I want to apologize for not being able to record with team members and I had to make a separate recording due to a very bad night.
Okay, tajuk kita adalah History and Development of Media Communication Technology. Okay, silakan.
Okay, we start at the introduction. The introduction is technological advance paved the way for the emergence of the 20th century electronic mass media as the public demand for information and entertainment increased. As nations moved from agrarian to industrial-based societies, the production of mass media was impacted by enormous social change. Mass media have constantly developed and adapted to changing demand and technological opportunities from the plain, primitive printing technique of the year to today, sophisticated digital communication that canvas the globe. Throughout their short history, the mass media had immense influence on every country, political, social, economic, and cultural development. The following section traces the growth of the different mass media, beginning as the older mass media with the book, newspaper, and magazine. A broader spectrum of mass media has emerged over the year, incorporating modern and traditional mode of technology and information.
So, history of printed media, newspaper. The first regularly weekly published newspaper emerged in Paris in 1631 and others pop up in Florence, Rome and Madrid over the next few decades. While radio, television and online news serve that function for most people now. Newspaper were the first mass medium to collect and disseminate such information. In more than 100 years, big cities like London and Paris have had about 200 newspapers, including being published daily, weekly, and interval from other days. Newspaper, as we know, newspaper are a source of information in the country or abroad, providing coverage on event, current issue, and news. So, for the timeline of event in newspaper publishing, in 1690, first newspaper in North America in Boston banned after the first issue. In 1704, the Boston newsletter in the first newspaper published regularly. From 1721 to 1729, Benjamin Franklin published New England Courant and runs the Pennsylvania Gazette. In 1784, the first daily newspaper is published in the United States. In 1833, founder of the New York Sun changed the pricing distribution and content of newspaper. From 1848 to 1955, the Associated Press was formed. The Village Voice is published. In 1980, the Columbus Dispatch is the first newspaper to publish content online. In 1982, USA Today is launched. The Challenge newspaper standing. And the last 1988, an online gossip, the Drug Report. So for the magazine, our top newspaper, we were the first record of daily life in United States. Magazine were the first national mass media reaching individuals in the late 1700 and 1800 throughout the growing nation. The growth and spread of print as a mass medium took hundreds of years, which seemed like an eternity when compared to the spread of audiovisual media. So for the timeline of event in magazine publishing, early 1800, the number of magazine increased to about 100 in circulation by 1825. From 1828 to 1850, the first woman magazine, Ladies Magazine, is founded and marked the beginning of the trend toward targeting women as a distinct audience. In 1865, The Nation is published, which focused on political opinion and caters toward a more educated and liberal readership. From 1879 to early 1900, this chain attract more advertisers, which allow magazine publisher to drop the price per issue below what it actually costs to produce the magazine. From 1900 to 1960, magazine played a key role in providing in-depth coverage of the world wars and start to cover the Cultural Revolution of the 1960s when they ran into new challenge. From 1960 and 1970, as television exploded as the new mass medium of choice, National Magazine lose advertiser to the new audiovisual medium. In 1970 to present day, magazine adapt by becoming more specialized, trying to appeal more to niche rather than general interest audiences.
Okay, next, history of electronic media, television. Television technology was actually first developed in the 19th century before commercial radio was conceived of when in 1897 Ferdinand Brown invented the cathode ray tube. The first time the cathode ray tube was used to produce image was in 1907. As early as 1876, Boston civil servant George Carey envisioned complete television system, putting forward drawings for a selenium camera that would enable people to see by electricity. A year, Federal Communication Commission 2005. Timeline of event in television publishing. 1920s. First mechanical television used a rotating disc with holes by John Legge Baird and Charles Francis Jeskins. In 1927, first television was created by 21 years old by Willow Taylor, Farnsworth, America's first commercially produced television. In 1948 until 1955, the world's first television remote control was called TeleZoom, and the first true remote control was produced by Zenith. In 1963 until 1989, television surpassed newspapers as an information source. NBC calls itself the full-color network, and pay-per-view began to leave its mark on television. In 1996, digital satellite dishes 18-inch in diameter hit the market. On 2005 until 2010, Fox screen TVs and HD TV are introduced for the first time, and Sony released its Blu-ray disc format, capable of holding up to 27 GB despite being the same size as a DVD. 3D televisions start hitting the market. Telephone. A telephone is a telecommunications device that permits two or more users to conduct a conversation when they are too far apart to be heard directly. The essential elements of a telephone are microphone to speak into and an earphone which reproduce the voice in a distant location. The dial may be located either on handset or a base unit to which the handset is connected. The timeline of event in telephone publishing. In 1794, signaling system that connects Paris and Lille. 1838, Morse show the electric telegraph in the United. 1876, invented the telephone. 1890, Marconi invented telegraphy without wire. 1955, attempt communication via optical fiber. In 1967, telephone without wire. In 1979, cellular telephone networks in Japan. The radio. Radio is the technology of signaling and communicating using radio waves. Radio waves are electromagnetic waves of frequency between 13 Hz and 300 GHz in radar, used to locate and track objects like aircraft, ships, spacecraft, and missiles. A beam of radio wave emitted by a radar transmitter reflect off the target object, and the reflected wave reveal the object location. Radio waves were the first identified and studied by German physicist Heinrich Hertz in 1886. Timeline of events in radio publishing. 1888, Heinrich Hertz proved the existence of radio wave. 1899, loudspeaker introduced. 1801, Marconi sent radio signals. 1903, advance in radio technology. 1919, shortwave radio introduced. On 1952, small transistor radio was introduced by Sony. 1984, players compact disc CD in the market.
Okay, next is history of the new media. New media are form of media that are computational and rely on computer for their distribution. Some example of new media are computer animation, computer games, human-computer interface, interactive computer installation, website, and virtual world. Timeline of event new media. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, invented the World Wide Web. And 1992, Tim Berners-Lee posted the first photo ever to be on the internet. 1993, CERN introduced the World Wide Web on the world. 1994, Yahoo is created by Stanford University graduate students. 1996, Nokia, the first mobile phone with internet capabilities. 1997, electronic companies agreed to make Wi-Fi for wireless internet. And 1998, AOL launches AOL 4.0 and inundates American home with CD-ROM mailers. 1999, Yahoo by GeoCities for 3.6 billion. AOL acquires Time Warner for 165 billion. And 2001, Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger founded launches Wikipedia. 2002, Microsoft launched Xbox Live, its online multiplayer gaming service. 2003, Apple launched the iTunes Music Store with 200,000 songs at $99 each. 2004, Mozilla released Firefox 1.0 and Google acquired YouTube for 1.65 billion. 2007, Apple released its first touchscreen iPhone, priced at $499 for 4 GB and $599 for 8 GB. And 2008, HTML5 is introduced. 2009, Twitter raised 98 million from investor, valuing the company at 1 billion. 2010, Apple released its touchscreen tablet, computer, and iPad. 2011, Microsoft buys Skype for 8.5 billion. And 2012, Facebook reached 1 billion monthly active users. 2013, Apple say App Store downloads top 40 billion and 20 billion in 2020 alone. 2040, Facebook buy messaging apps WhatsApp for 19 billion. 2050, Instagram and photo sharing site reach 400 million users. And 2016, the number one YouTube video to go viral in 2016, Adele singing on James Corden's. And the last 2017, Apple launched their new iPhone X.
Okay, for history of media communication in Malaysia, printed media. In Malaysia, the advertising industry had started many decades ago. Today, newspapers and magazines are among the most popular advertising media among advertisers and companies alike. This is because Malaysia are known to be avid readers despite the growing popularity and demand for online content and media. Timeline print media in Malaysia. In 1805, newspaper began publication. In 1998, there's 34 kinds of daily newspaper in country. There's 5 Malay language, 10 English language, 15 Chinese language, 4 Tamil language. There are 115 types of magazines published each month. Most magazines are published in English, Malay, Chinese, and Tamil. So in electronic media, there is radio. Radio is an audio device of passing messages to a large audience. Radio can also be seen as a media used for sending and receiving messages through the air using the electronic wave. Bridge. brought the first radio set into the country. He then established the Johor Wireless Association and commenced broadcasting through 300-meter wave. That is Dol Ramlin 1970. Timeline of event in radio publishing in Malaysia. In 1930 until 1937, Singapore Port Authority commanded its shortwave broadcast every fortnight either on Sundays or Wednesdays. In 1942 until 1946, Japanese took over and used the exciting radio channel in Penang, Malacca, Kuala Lumpur, Seremban, and Singapore to transmit Japanese propaganda. In 1950, broadcasting activities in Malaya were operated from its temporary studio in Jalan Yang, now as Jalan Senderasari in Kuala Lumpur. In 1963, first time Malaysia formed in radio, Inilah Radio Malaysia. In 1969, radio and television were merged under the Ministry of Information. In 1975, Radio Music Radio was launched. So next, electronic media, television. Malaysia Television Broadcasting was introduced on 28 December 1963. Color television was introduced on 28 December 1978. Full-time color transmission were officially in graduate on New Year's Day 1982. They are currently at national free-to-air terrestrial television station in Malaysia and two national pay subscription television station in Malaysia. Timeline of event in television publishing in Malaysia. In 1963, television broadcast began. 1969, broadcast television for second channel was introduced. In 1978, private television broadcast began operating, that is TV3 or STMD. In 1995, the onset of pay TV service is Mega TV. In 1996, pay TV via satellite, Astro, using a digital broadcasting system. In October 2001, Mega TV service stopped. So that's all from me.
Okay, next is the influence of technology on communication media. Technology has changed the way in which we do business. This is especially evident in the way in which social media such as telecommunication system, instant messaging, the World Wide Web, and social networking platform now function. New computer hardware and software platform are being developed around a social element. Businesses that interact directly with their customer and product and service providers need to stay abreast of technology and its influence on social media and be influent in the use of social technology. Next is social media. There are many forms of social media include any means of communication and interaction that involve a social element, including email, social networking, instant messaging, and chat. Telecommunication video conferencing, forum, blog, and event, normal human communication, such as face-to-face conversation, business meeting, presentation, and body language. Social media is an integral element of any business as humans must communicate to get work done. Social media interaction are becoming in, increasingly important as technology is adapting to include a more human-friendly element, include social-based operation system and communication-oriented software application.
Okay, I continue. For the technology advance have revolution the way is in which human communication. Technology linked itself well to social media and it now use a presentation software, group wave, messaging system, telecommunication networks, voice over internet protocol communication, video conferencing, social media, online chat, interactive message board, website, blogs, and more other form of social interaction. Your customers your customers now expect you to use some form of social media technology to facilitate facilitate custom service and provide information. Business. The influence of technology on social media has been largely benefit to business. Internet-enabled tel- Internet-enabled telecommunication technology lets you communicate with your customers in real time and respond to issues much more quickly than was possible in manual system. Your employers are not longer hiring by equipment ability, time zone, or geographic distance, and can now communication seamlessly using technology. This has allowed many businesses to employ a global workforce and increase their productive output. Even if you have a small single location business, your employees can still leverage social media technology to communication with each other and with their customer even when out of the office. And you can use a blog or social media to stay in contact with your customers. For the last consideration, a true technology has had a largest benefit impact on social media. From a business perspective, it may not be as beneficial for human. Social network remove the element of face-to-face interaction and should cause social isolation. Your employees could also be more stresses if they are always on call and unable to detach themselves from work and enjoy work life balance. Result is lowest productive levels.
Conclusion. In conclusion, there are clearly pros and cons of adolescent technology use. The fact is, it is important for adolescents to learn and understand technology. It is became a part of daily life for all people to use a computer or a cell phone. It is necessary in most situations, especially for when they are older and have job. However, technology use must not be excessive. Extreme technological use in adolescence can cause all sort of problems socially and physically. It is important for adolescents to understand that yes, technology is an amazing thing, but at the same time, it should not be used all of the time. They should not be overly dependent on it. Adolescents need to learn that sometimes technology is not the right answer for a situation. The new media has characteristics which have altered the dependency of many people and traditional media monopolized by the big news agency for news and information sharing. The traditional media are culture resources that accumulate indigenous knowledge, experience, and expressions passed down from generation to generation.
Okay guys. Cik, Facebook mana cik Facebook? Saya nak terangkan pasal
Okay. Can.
Facebook dulu.
Okay. This.
Okay, thank you cik Okay guys. Ini adalah muka ahli-ahli kita guys. Aidil, Azril, Max, Adha, Liza, Fitrisha, Syarin, Syafiq. Okay guys. Okay, ini adalah kita orang punya apa tu orang cakap Facebook punya blogger. Okay, Landak Raya. Kita adalah UPM student. Okay, group nombor 2. Group nombor 2 Liza?
Group kelas kumpulan kedua. Tapi kita group
kelas
10.
okay, sorry, my mistake. Okay, group nombor 2 kumpulan nombor 10. Okay, ini kita orang punya adalah macam social media kita orang untuk korang boleh tengok, cari maklumat-maklumat di sini. Okay? Okay cik, bagi dekat ni pula cik.
Aliza Aliza.
Instagram.
Okay.
Instagram.
Okay ni.
Okay. Guys, ini adalah Instagram kita. Follower kita baru ada 28 follower. Following kita ada 35. 17 post. Okay. Ini adalah post-post kita orang yang kita orang telah post dekat IG blogger kita orang. Okay. Siapa yang nak tengok boleh search kita orang punya IG KKOM3305 @landakraya2020. Ini adalah muka ahli-ahli kita orang di luar kawasan universiti. Okay.
Rasanya
Cik tolong buka satu gambar cik.
Satu gambar.
Satu gambar.
Allah.
Okay cik, tak payah cik. Sebab lambat masa takut kita tamat kat sini. Okay. Boleh kalau rasa nak tengok boleh pergi dekat KOM3305 @landakraya2020.
Boleh tunjuklah gambar kawan kita yang tak dapat join.
Boleh. Okay. Cik tolong tengok gambar dia cik. Kita terangkan lebih teliti.
Kita tunjuk muka dia.
Ini. Ada nampak?
Okay guys, ni adalah Din, ahli kumpulan kami. Tapi dia tak dapat join sebab line dia teruk sikit.
Dengan cerita rumah dia banjir baru-baru ni.
Rumah dia banjir, line dia teruk sikit sebab kita orang beri kemudahan, kita orang bagi dia kelonggaran sikit untuk buat video sendiri dan kita orang buat by group. Jadi semua akan faham, okay? Bukan dia tak join tapi dia akan join.
Tapi kita akan comparekan video dia kan?
Yes, exactly Aliza. Thank you Thank you.
Okay, rasanya dah dekat 31 minit dah kita punya record. Setakat tu ini sahajalah pembentangan kami daripada kumpulan 10.